Okay viewers, welcome to my channel and I wish you Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Today I want to teach you something about dashboard light. What does it mean? The importance of it. What is their purpose and their work on the car when it appears. So you can see on the screen we have so many dashboard light signals which I can able to explain to you one by one in order to understand it properly, and I tell you at the end of this video you're gonna grab something. Okay, so let's start. Here we have warning lights, but first of all I can explain to you about this warning light. What is warning light? Warning light is what is a warning light? It is a light that illuminates or flashes when there is a trouble in a system, replenishment or replacement is required, or to help the driver drive safely. Light color is divided into red or orange by the level of emergency or importance. So you can see the brake light. This is the first, and the importance of brake light is it illuminates when the parking brake light lever is applied. It illuminates when the brake fluid level is slow. These are the importance and the functions of brake light. It illuminates when the vacuum of the brake line for diesel engine is low. And the lastly, it illuminates when there is a malfunction in the EBD system. So this is the function of brake light on the vehicle when it appears on the dashboard. And secondly, we have seat belt. The number 2 is seat belt. What is seat belt? It illuminates when a seat belt is not fastened. Okay, so we have here discharge warning light. This is the discharge normally it brings on the screen. It illuminates when there is a malfunction somewhere in the charging system. Okay, so number 4 we have manufacturing indicator lamp. It illuminates when there is a malfunction in the engine control system or transmission control system. So we have battery. We have slow fuel warning light. Okay. We have battery. Yes, this is how it is. And then check light. And then let's go to the next page. We have number 6, the oil light. This is the oil light. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, low engine oil pressure warning light. It illuminates when the pressure of the engine oil drops. The oil level is low. We have ABS light number 7. It illuminates when there is a malfunction in the ABS system. We have door light. Open door light warning light. It illuminates when a door is not closed. Then number 9 we have airbag light, SRS warning light. It illuminates or brings when there is a malfunction in the SRS airbag system. Number 10 we have timing belt light. Timing belt light replacement warning light. It illuminates when the distance driven reaches the replacement timing of the timing belt. Then finally we have fuel filter warning light. It illuminates when the water level in the fuel filter reaches the prescribed limit. Then finally, inspection interval. Inspection every 10,000 km, 600 miles or 6 months. These are some of the tidbits I have with you today. And once again, I say enjoy your Christmas and prosperous New Year. Watch this video, share to your social media platforms, your friends and your family, as many as you can. Like, share, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when we upload something new on this particular platform. Thank you for watching.